What's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing this mini detail on this Traverse SUV.
Morning, Tony. How you doing today, man?
Morning. We're out there pretty good. Chilly out here.
It's cold, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony. It's cold, bro.
Yeah.
It's getting there. How come you detail so early? How come you don't start like at 9 or 10? You know what I mean?
It just now, especially now that it gets darker quicker. I don't like working in the dark, so I have to just wake up earlier so I get a bit more hours of daylight. That's pretty much the only reason why.
You're not tired?
Not too much, not today.
All right, cool. You were on time today, bro. We were on time today.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Hey, Tony, you're knocking this detail out pretty quickly, man.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's what's up. I have a question for you. Let's say there's a detailer out there and they're taking too long on their details. What advice could you give them? Do you think maybe they're trying to focus too much on getting it perfect, or maybe they don't have the right technique yet?
I guess it depends on the service you're offering, but I feel like a lot of detailers also overthink too much about the detail. I guess just manage your client's expectations and then go a little bit above and beyond.
So you mentioned expectations for the customer.
Yeah.
Maintenance. Do they already know what they're gonna get, or do you explain it every time you come?
For the most part, once they get it the first time, they already know what they're gonna get, because I like to be as consistent as possible with all my details. So that way there's no like surprises for them or anything, or surprises for me either. If something is more messed up than it's supposed to be and then they want it done for free or something, they'll know like there's gonna be an upcharge because it's not included with the specific package they're getting.
Do you do a lot of upcharges?
Not too many.
When was the last time you did one? Do you remember?
No, not really, because for the most part when people come to me for a quote, they kind of already know what they want, and I'll let them know what we can do for them, and then they'll just go for that. It's pretty rare when I upcharge in person. I'll just let them know like, hey, here's something we can do, or what I recommend for the future, and then maybe later on they'll hit me up for it.
Tony, how's the detail going, man?
Pretty good. Just got finishing touches left.
All right. Hey, I heard that you're raising your prices for 2022.
Yeah.
Why are you raising your prices?
Just because everything, like material-wise and product-wise, is going up. And then also it's been a while since I've raised my prices. And that's about it. Those are the like main two reasons.
So give me an example. What was an old price and what's gonna be the new price?
So like a mini detail used to start at 80, now it's gonna start at 100.
Dang. Now, have you told your customers that yet?
Yeah, I let them know, but I just gotta put it into the our booking app because it's not updated there yet, but gotta do that.
How many times have you changed your prices so far?
Probably like 2 or 3 times since I started.
And have your customers stuck with you, or you notice some fall off and then you get new customers?
It really depends, because in the first 2 times I did it, I lost a lot of customers, but you just gain more over time.
All right, cool, man. Are you scared, Tony?
Nah.
That you might lose a lot of customers?
Nah, because what I'm doing is, since I'm doing the Square, and when they book through Square takes a percentage. That's another reason that I'm raising my price, because if I left the same price on Square, it'd just be cutting like a lot of like profits, I guess, off.
If there's so many fees, why not just stick with the Venmo and the Cash App and all that?
Well, it's because with Square, once they book it, that's where they can make the deposit and pay off the rest, and then have the invoice and everything.
So more automated kind of?
Yeah, it makes it a bit easier, and plus for everyone that wants like a receipt and stuff or proof of service, they have the Square right there.
So it's a little bit easier.
Yeah.
But it's costing a little bit more.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is, if they want to book through there or book or pay, even if they're paying cash or Zelle, Venmo, anything other than cash, it'll be that new price. But if they pay me cash, I'll honor like 2020 prices. So that's like the trade-off. Like,
all right, so you kind of let them know, hey, you could pay through Square, a higher price, or if you pay me cash, wink, wink. Will it kind of like
regular,
that?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Tony, so how'd you get this customer, man?
I believe off of Google.
Google Ads or what?
Just regular, like they just
looked at detailers in San Bernardino?
Yeah. And then I was like one of the first ones to pop up, and then they sent me a text, and then ever since then.
Yeah. Hey, what they messaged you first? Do you remember?
I think just what packages I offered and where I traveled to and how much was the price.
And when first-time clients, did you give them like the full detail, mini detail, or just the basics?
For the most part, it's usually always, since it's a new vehicle as well, it was just like a mini detail, and then from there I would just recommend, depending on what their wants and needs were, whatever package.
Oh, you got some smudgies?
Yeah.
How do you take those out?
Some like water stuff.
Yeah.
So I just use a spray wax.
And it works?
Yeah, just mist it on there, and then wipe. I don't know what type of smudgy that was, but that was sticky.
Hey, let me ask you. So you're pretty much done with the whole mini detail?
With this thing?
With the maintenance?
Yeah, for the most part.
What's the last finishing touches you do?
Usually the windows.
The windows?
Yeah, windows are usually the last part. So it's this and then the windows.
Oh, so you still got the windows left?
Yeah, because when you're using like a spray wax or anything, especially if it's a windy or anything, you don't want it to overspray onto the windows and then work like redo.
Gotcha.
So you do this, and then windows are like the last thing, at least the outside of the windows. Sometimes I like to do the inside of the windows first and then do the spray wax, and then since all the doors are closed and stuff, you won't get any overspray on the inside. Well, there you guys have it. That's how we do our mini detail on this Traverse SUV. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have raised your prices and how it has gone with your clients and customers. Did you lose any? Did they all stick around? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this type of detailing content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.